Record.
It's recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll tell you this.
Okay. I'm giving you 2 just for the thing. Hold on. Sir? Here. I'm going to grab the chair real quick.
Make sure you can see it real good.
I'm making sure, that's why I'm getting in the shade. You can't see it over there. Okay. Okay, let's see. Where is that bird? I found the nest.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I found it.
Okay.
There's a bird in that nest, people.
Oh, I missed.
Boy.
That one wasn't heavy enough. That's fine. This is heavier. Oh.
A rainbow!
Let me get it. Let me get it.
I don't get how you don't see those rainbows. But you always told me you didn't see them. This is going on YouTube. Oh yeah, son. We should have recorded when you climbed up the tree and jumped out.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh.
Woo, miss. Woo, rainbow.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Okay.
Green one.
Should we take a pause?
No.
Okay.
I'll get a green one
Camo.
so I can aim better because it gives me luck.
Green is your lucky color?
No,
Oh.
but it's luckier than orange.
That's Mom's favorite color.
It's hideous.
Did you hit it?
Yeah.
Didn't wait. Okay.
I rocked it.
On.
Okay, that time I hit the actual bird.
Then why didn't he move? That bird is dead. Aaron, the nest is tilting.
Come on.
Do you see it? Oh.
It's still tiny.
Oh.
Oh, I missed.
That was far off, bro. Falling.
I hit the bird.
What's up with this face? Woo! Here, I'll put them on my lap.
It's not paused.
Go.
Oh, that was too much to the left.
Okay. That was far off, bro. Okay, we're back. And I am the speaker. I love being speaker. Go. Okay, that bird is not. We're rolling. I got your dumb face. We're playing.
I'm gonna throw it.
Go.
Oh.
Far off.